Hello everyone, myself Aravind and I am from Proddatur, Andhra Pradesh. I have done my B.Tech at CBIT College, Proddatur itself. My stream is Electrical and Electronics Engineering. After the completion of B.Tech, I thought of getting a job and searched for the available options. There I got to know about this Evision Technosoft Private Limited through Naukari.com. Evision Technosoft Private Limited is a consulting company which helps students, all the people to know about the basic knowledge of IT industries and all those things. They will help us to gain some of the practical knowledge as well. Now, after the completion of 45 days training, I got myself placed as a desktop support engineer in one of the reputed company. I sincerely thank Evision for providing me necessary skills required and giving me the job which I deserve and which I thought of. And I sincerely thank Evision for all the support you gave. And I would suggest the Evision will be one of the best options for everyone to be placed in an IT sector. And thank you.
Join Evision. Join job.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision. Join job.